In this video, we'll be going step by step through the process of exporting and erasing personal data from a WordPress website. This video is for both customers and site administrators, as it takes both in order to complete the process. Personal information that you might find on a WordPress site might be things like your name, your email, maybe payment information, stuff like that. So, without further delay, let's dive into it. Exporting personal information is a two-person process. It requires the customer, who is requesting their personal information, and a site administrator who is actually exporting the information. It's kind of a dance back and forth throughout the process, with each individual taking actions in order to complete the process. So I'm going to start out as though I was the customer. So I am a customer and I want to request my personal information. Now you might think that over here in these options you would find a button or an option that would allow you to request your personal information. That is not the case. Maybe on some sites, if they've built that in, then maybe that would be an option. But on most WordPress sites, that is not going to be an option. So you will need to reach out to the business and let them know that you would like a copy of your personal information. Once you've reached out to the company via email or phone call or however you accomplish that, now it's the site administrator's turn to act. So now I'm the site administrator and I'm going to come here to Tools and click on Export Personal Data. I now need to put in the username or the email address of the individual who is requesting their personal information. So customers, when you reach out, or site administrators, when they reach out, make sure that you collect either their username or their email address. So I will put in the username for our customer, and it is valued customer, because I'm very original. Then I'm going to click this button that says send request. Now when I do that, if everything goes correctly, we'll see this notification that says it initiated successfully, and I will also see this request pop up down here. Once I've clicked that send request button, now it goes back to the customer to make the next step. So I am now the customer. I'm going to go to my email and open up this confirmation email that I received from the business. This is going to ask you if you actually want to export your personal data. If you do, then click the included link. Alright, that'll say thanks for confirming your export request, and now it goes back to the site administrator to take the next step. Back on the site administrator's side of things, we can see that the customer has confirmed their request to export their information. So I am going to click right here where it says send export link. Alright, we can see that the email has been sent. And now, once again, it is the customer's turn to take an action. So I'll come back to my email, and I've now received a new email, and this new email has this link where I can download my personal information. Now this file will automatically delete itself after a period of time for security purposes. So make sure that you download your personal information before that date. So I will click on this link, and as you can see, it has now downloaded a zip file with my personal information. Before I go and look at that, I'm going to go back to the site administrator side just to show you how, as an administrator, you'd wrap things up. Once you have sent that export link, you can go ahead, and over here you will see that it says remove request. You might have to refresh your screen if you don't see this, but go ahead and click remove request if you've gone ahead and completed the export process. And that will just finish everything up on this side. Now for the customer, once you have downloaded your information from that link, you're going to go to your files where you store your downloads. And it is a zip file, so we will need to extract that. And now we can open it. And you have two options here. I'm just going to open this one. And that will pull up all of the personal information that that website had stored about you. Now let's say that after looking at your personal data, you want it deleted from that website's database. The process for having your personal data erased is basically the same as having it exported. So you will need to reach out to the company and let them know that you want your personal data to be erased from their database. Now when you do this, it should be noted that this cannot be reversed. So just make sure that you want it erased before you go ahead with it. On the administrator's side, when somebody reaches out and tells you that they want their personal data erased, you will need to come to Tools and click on Erase Personal Data. Next, you will need to put in the username or the email address for the person who requested the erasure. So make sure when they contact you that you collect that username or email address. I will put in the username for my imaginary customer here. A very original name indeed, and I'm going to click Send Request. So I've sent that request. You can see that the status is pending and we're waiting for confirmation. So now it is the customer's turn to take an action. Okay. As the customer, I will come into my email and there should be an email in there asking if I want to confirm the erasure of my personal data. If I do, then I will click on the link included in that email. That will take me to this page that says, "Thanks for confirming your erasure request." Now it is the administrator's turn to take an action. Back on the administrator side, we can see that they confirmed the request to erase their information. So I will click here where it says Erase Personal Data. As you can see, it is erasing the data right now, so we'll wait till that is finished. And it says the erasure was complete. Now back on the customer side, I've received an email that informs me that my erasure request has been fulfilled. So my personal data has now been removed from the database of that website. Alright, well that is how you can export and erase your information from a WordPress website. Hopefully you found this information to be helpful, and I'll see you next time.